Here we have Artmore DIY Batik Design Making Kit. Let's look at what is in there. We have yellow dye, blue dye, pre-soaked soda ash, 2 wax blocks, 2 little candles, pre-filled tijanting tool, a paintbrush, pre-designed cotton fabric and 2 more blank fabrics, couple of gloves, tissue paper and instructions. Okay, now let's do the fun part. Grab one of the cotton fabric given in the box and leave it on the paper. Here we have pre-filled tijanting tool. It's filled with wax already. Hold the tijanting tool on top of the flame to melt the pre-filled wax in the tool. When wax is melted, you can make the designs as you wish on the cotton fabric. Remember, the design you make on white fabric will be sealed by wax, not to absorb any dyes we apply next. Here we have first layer of wax design. Okay, put 300 ml of water to a container. Put the pre-soaked powder given with the pack to water and mix it well. Put the designed fabric to the pre-soaked solution and leave it 10 minutes. Take the fabric out and lay it on a plastic sheet. I took old shopping bag. I love reusing things as much as possible. Get the yellow dye container, put some water and mix it well. Leave the pre-soaked solution aside because we need that solution again later in the process. Now you can start coloring the fabric. Say it's a golden yellow color. And leave some area to apply another color. Okay, we have blue color now. Let's do the same process. Add water, mix it well and apply to the fabric. And don't go over the yellow color for now. We can mix it in a later step. I'll show you later. We need to dry this minimum 24 hours now to absorb the dye properly to the fabric. Okay, we are going to add another layer of wax design now. If you feel pre-filled wax is not enough in the tool, you can scrape some wax flakes from the given wax block and put it to the tool. Let's do another wax layer design on yellow and blue area. Get the pre-soaked solution again and put the fabric into it. Leave it in the solution for 10 minutes. Apply the yellow color on top of the blue area. Wash the paintbrush and also apply the blue color on top of the yellow area. We are getting beautiful green color. We need to dry this again 24 hours. Our beautiful design is dried well now. We are going to remove the wax now. We need to crack the wax a little bit before we put it to the boiling water. I have 2 half-cut milk containers. Let's put lukewarm water to one container and boiling water to another. We are going to do another fun part, but be very careful with boiling water, especially with the kids. Now put the fabric into boiling water up and down. It will remove the wax. Put it to lukewarm water and check the remaining wax, and put it to boiling water again until wax removed completely. If children are going to do this, they should be very careful and supervised. Now we can see the wax is completely removed and the final design appeared beautifully. Also you can see white, yellow and blue color design with green colored background. We need to dry this completely and iron the fabric to get rid of any little wax remaining. You can iron it in between 2 tissue papers. Great! It is the end of the process. If you like to purchase the DIY kit and make some homeware, please check the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like my Artmore YouTube channel, comment and feedback. See you next time.